Welcome back to Autocad. Today we will see how do we use the mirror entities in SolidWorks. So here I am going to select a sketch and then I will select a plane. Then I will create a center line first of all, and then I will make a circle over here. Now I need to mirror this circle in the right side of the center line at the same distance. So here I will select the mirror entities command, and here we have two options, entities to mirror and mirror about. So in entities to mirror we need to select the object that we need to mirror. So I'm selecting the circle here, and then mirror about we need to select the reference line, that is the center line through which we need to mirror the object, and we need to click this copy to make a copy of this object to this side. If you will not click on copy, then this object will be deleted and here an object will be created. So I'm clicking over here on the center line, and then we can see that we have created a circle in the right side of the center line. So I'm clicking the green tick and it's done. This is how we do mirror entities, how we use the mirror entities command in SolidWorks. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.